The LED blinking is L. This is the sketch. 1-2-1. Here's my sketch. And here are my alternating LEDs with current limiting resistors. This is my sketch. I set the delay to 5.8 seconds, so it should be 1.5 seconds going up, 1.5 seconds going down. So it should be 3 total. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Here's my adjusted sketch. I've added the built-in LED to trigger once the button is pressed. When I press the button, the red LED turns on along with the onboard LED. This is my sketch for 2-1, my humidity sensor sketch. This is my output on the serial monitor. This is my circuit. I have the temperature sensor connected already, but we're working on the humidity sensor. And you can see some humidity being picked up from my finger, and I'm letting go. This is 2-2. I have humidity and temperature. This is my serial monitor output. I have temperature scaled per the spec sheet here, but it seems a little cooler than it actually is. I got my finger placed over the temperature sensor, and it's increasing a little bit. It's increasing, and I'm gonna let go again. I'm gonna try and pick up the laptop heat. I think it's too far away, but that should be enough. This is my sketch for the accelerometer. I've taken some code from the example script from Adafruit. Here's my reading. And here's my circuit setup. I'm going to now jiggle the accelerometer, and you'll see we have acceleration on the 3 axes, and then I've stopped moving, and we have some stabilization. Here's my 2.4 sketch. All of my mic code is right here. I'm just reading in the values raw into an analog pin. My readings are pretty stable, around 500. So I'm gonna do, over here is my circuit. I'm going to scratch the top of the microphone, and you should see some high values. There we go. Now those dips, I'm pretty sure I'm pulling the pin out of its voltage supply pin. It's messing with the readings, but there you go. This is my sketch for 2.5. I've added my pop pin here. My code is right here. Right now, the potentiometer is at 218 out of a max of 1024. I just have the raw analog values going in. There's the pot right there. It's going into my analog in right there. Now I'm going to use the screwdriver to change the value. It's getting less when I move it to the right. I'm gonna move it to the left. It's gone up. And I'm gonna keep going. And I'm gonna bring it back to the middle. All right, this is my 2-6 sketch. Out here it's pretty simple. I'm just reading in the potentiometer value, printing the line so I see a change, and then outputting the tone to the piezo. Here's my circuit. I'm gonna change the pot value right now. You see the values increased. That's it. This is my 2.7 extra credit sketch. Here I put my pins declared, all of my output and inputs, start serial, I'm reading potentiometer values here, looking for my button presses here, and then I'm going to toggle through these flags which triggers different portions of the logic. Okay. Checking my flags here. This is my circuit. This is my button 1 right here. I'm gonna change the potentiometer for you so you can hear the piezo speaker change. Now I'm gonna press button 1 to toggle to the LEDs. Now I'm gonna press button 2 to toggle through the LEDs. Now my common RGB LED, it fried, so I just made one with 3 LEDs. Each button press turns them on, and I added an additional one to turn it off. Go back on. Now I'm going to show you the change in the brightness. When it gets very low, it won't even supply current to the red